Good morning, Education 570, and welcome to module number 7. 2 left, and the course is finished. I'm guessing that many of you are also wrapping up a school year and have got lots of details happening, so thank you for your work on this course too and your attention to it. I know that you all have busy lives. I appreciate your work on what we're doing here together too. So let's check it out on course content. Module 7, Communicating as a Digital Citizen. You're going to develop a plan for communicating with parents and stakeholders, describing strategy for addressing tech safety, and discuss copyright and fair use concerns. Required reading. We have some videos here, website, and several other things here, and the library article for your required reading for this week. One discussion board. This module examines with some of the issues of responsibility and digital citizenship. Got some examples here. Explain what you've learned in at least one of these areas. Communication with parents, copyright and fair use, or internet safety. Use evidence from the readings. Describe your plans to incorporate digital citizenship. Make sure that your first post is due on Wednesday. 2 response posts by Sunday. Tech in action. All right, so for this one, the readings for the module explored strategies for communicating with parents. Check out one final resource. Check out this resource here, Certified Educator. There are lots of things that we've learned through this course, but this one is nothing that you need to actually submit. But I encourage you to do it to become a certified educator as indicated above. So nothing to submit for this assignment. The only thing to submit this week is the 7.1 discussion, digital citizenship. This one, there's nothing to submit, but the idea there is that you continue working on your final project. I entered some feedback for all of your draft plans for the final project. Please make sure you keep working on that because that will be due next week. All right, if you have any questions, please make sure that you let me know. Otherwise, have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.